this is Hannah J with realestatesiny.com, and thanks for tuning in. The demolition process has begun at the beloved Mount Manresa site. We've been following the ever-unfolding story of the controversial sale of the historic Mount Manresa Jesuit Retreat Center. The sale of the property to the Savo brothers was approved, much to the dismay of protesters. And as of Wednesday, February 19th, the first structure on the site was removed. The entrance sign bearing the Mount Manresa name was taken down, marking the official start of the development process. The Mount Manresa property has served as a retreat site for people in need of a peaceful getaway, from poet Joyce Kilmer to Hurricane Sandy victims. Even politicians Nicole Malliotakis and Senators Diane Savino joined the environmental movement to save the land at Mount Manresa. The Savo brothers have stated that they will develop the property with the vision of the Jesuits in mind. But will they make it a priority to save the oldest trees in New York City or the glacial hillside's natural beauty? The brothers have declined to comment on all attempts the press has made to reach out. This has been a presentation from realestatesiny.com, Staten Island's real estate news source.